Welcome to the Education Fair at St. Thomas School, Dwarka, organized by DCEB Campus in a visit. This event brings together students and esteemed universities to explore diverse career opportunities and develop professional acumen. Ms. Menka Singh, the head of school, encourages students to seize these opportunities and expresses her gratitude to the organizers, Ms. Sudha Sinha and Ms. Bhavna Pandey, for their dedication to making this education fair a success. Representatives are here to offer valuable information about their college's programs, admissions, and scholarships. They are ready to answer any questions students may have. Students from classes She and 12 are actively participating, gaining valuable insights into higher education and career opportunities. Here, Ms. Bhavna Pandey engages with students, answering their questions and providing guidance.
Hello, I am Bhavna Pandey from DCEB Campus. Today we are at St. Thomas School, Dwarka for Indo-Global Uniconnect Education Fair, where the students of high school got an opportunity to meet up with the university delegates and get to know about their future options. So I would like to ask each one of you that how has your experience been?
Good morning everyone, I am Avni from St. Thomas School, Dwarka. I am in 11th grade and I am pursuing medical stream. First of all, I am so grateful for our school's principal, Ms. Menka ma'am, for organizing this Indo-Global Uniconnect Fest. It really provided me for an opportunity to get a clearer vision for what I want to pursue in future. Out of all these phenomenal universities with these cool courses, there was something that really caught my eye, biotechnology engineering, BTech, a specialization in genetic engineering. I am so grateful for this opportunity and thanks a lot.
Okay, so there were about 30 odd universities here today. So which one did you find?
It was more of a company than university that provides internships and jobs. I personally like trading and especially marine because that is an interest of mine. So there was a company, Anglo-Eastern Ship Management. They provide internships and they prepare you for the Indian, I forgot the name of it. They prepare for your exams and they help you in just getting your interest developed in the marine biology also.
Right. So that is Maritime Academy.
Oh,
so you Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. So you can look up their information. If you need to be connected, let us know. Okay. What about you, Gauri?
My name is Gauri and I am from St. Thomas School. There were a lot of international and national universities here also, but one of them caught my eye. OP Jindal University. It had a great law program with great facilities. I really liked it.
Yes, OP Jindal is one of the top-notch law schools of our country, and I really wish you all the best that you make it through. And very interesting and diverse kind of law-related courses they offer. What about you?
I'm Hanshika Verma. It was an extremely helpful event. It helped me to get clear vision. I have opted for humanities with maths. I want to pursue my career in economics. Tokyo University, it was great university. It provides courses in English and also scholarship.
Mr. Darren Thomas Weeks from Tokyo International University shares his expertise on studying abroad, inspiring students to explore international education possibilities.
This is Bhavna Pandey. We are at St. Thomas School, Dwarka, and today we have Darren here. He's representing Tokyo International University, and students showed a lot of interest in joining the university and also finding about the courses. So over to Darren. So how has your experience been?
It was an excellent experience. I was really impressed by the students. They asked great questions. They showed a lot of enthusiasm for studying and for our university. So really excited and very thankful for this event.
Okay, so students showed a lot of interest. So what is the USP of Japan that you would want that Indian students should look at it as a study destination?
Well, Japan and Tokyo more specifically is an incredibly safe destination. It's very well developed, has amazing technology, and the infrastructure is very developed. So in Tokyo, for example, the train lines are very expansive, so it's very easy to get around. So students have a lot of freedom to explore. And as for TIU, we offer degrees in English medium, in international relations, business economics, and digital business and innovation. That third major is an IT and business hybrid degree, and we have high quality courses, and we have career support and language support, and everything that students need for a safe and comfortable study environment.
The Education Fair at St. Thomas School, Dwarka, has opened new doors for aspiring students, equipping them with the knowledge to make informed decisions about their academic and professional futures. This event sets the stage for many young minds to embark on their journeys towards success.